abreast with the world, with the pace of the world. So 261 million people living in this, on this earth, which we call Pakistan. We are going to be by 2030 from fifth largest country in the world to fourth largest country in the world. So to all these human beings and other neighboring countries, the pharmaceutical industry has the paramount importance to the lives of each and every soul who lives here in Pakistan. So this is not an obsolete subject. This is an everlasting subject. So we are so geared up today to fulfill the requirement of within the country, to such a large country within Pakistan, and we are surrounded by our neighbors. We are the gateway to the Central Asian countries, from here to all the way to Afghanistan and Central Asian countries. We are the gateway, we are the neighboring countries to huge populated neighbors. This is what Pakistan offers today. So while doing business in Pakistan, it does not just remain within the boundaries of Pakistan. It is always an international business. It goes out of Pakistan. It has go out of the boundaries of Pakistan. So without being biased, I don't see the return of investments anywhere, with all these ingredients, anywhere in the world at this moment, the way things have been offered here in Pakistan. So you are at the right place. Let's not waste our times. Let's bridge those gaps which was there before. The Drug Regulatory Authority of Pakistan, which is DRAP, you're gonna see the presentation from the CEO. The technical details are gonna be shared with you. But today's DRAP is WHO Level 2 accreditations DRAP, and soon next year, by April next year, 2027, this DRAP of Pakistan today is going to be accredited WHO Level 3. We have fulfilled all the requirements almost, and will be certified if everything goes inshallah ta'ala as we planned. Pakistan is going to be WHO Level 3 accredited country. With this, 100 new markets will open on a very fast day. The moment we will have the WHO Level 3 accreditation, the products of Pakistan will get an access to 100 new countries in the world. So this is what Pakistan is, the pharmaceutical industries of Pakistan today is. So, ladies and gentlemen, our Pakistani fellows, brother and sister, and the guests from the China, let's grab this opportunity and seize this opportunity. What has been offered to us today in the form of this B2B conference, 2 days conference. And like yesterday, we have got many MOUs and agreements are lined up to sign today as well. And these agreements and MOU, like the Prime Minister of Pakistan yesterday mentioned in his speech, it should not remain in the paper. It has to come on ground. So my team's responsibilities, we feel burden on our shoulders. We have to make this all agreements into realization, and that has to come on ground. And after this session, the real work starts, and we have to get engaged with each other to how to bring things on ground as early as possible. And the government of Pakistan, the Federal Health Ministry, rest assured that we will play every role to facilitate you. We will make things easier for you. Wherever there are troubles, we will be the troubles. You will find the government as a troubleshooter, inshallah. And we will facilitate, will play a catalyst role, will remain there, but not to get involved in your business, but to facilitate you. With these words, once again, thank you so much. I hope you had a good sleep yesterday night in Pakistan. Did you enjoy the dinner and the musical show yesterday? Our Chinese friend. Did you enjoy it? Thank you. So I hope the day which we is starting today, that also goes well, and wish you many success today's and days to come. Thank you very much, Pakistan. Zindabad and friendship between Pakistan.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।